Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a paper diya. So first we need, so this is your choice about round one, as your choice is 10, 10.1 and 15.9 centimeters. This one. So this one is 6 into 6 centimeters. This is for light and this is for diya. So this is your optional color, you could choose it, but this is yellow which you need to take it for a light. So first one, you fold this into half, then this one you can fold it. So same, this one you again fold it. So we have here the four foldings. So you fold this one again. Okay, you fold it this one again. So again you fold this one again. So fold it on. Just fold it on, all of them. So if you want to make diya could want to be such like the diya should be so space means some big, little big, you could use little smaller than this. So I like that to do, so I will do it one. So you fold it again and full of it. So you look, we found here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We seen here 5 of them. So we make this 10. So again folding this. So you make it like this. Now, just okay. Now you fold it into half. Not just fold it, not as permanent, and just remove it. So you could see here we found an midline here. So you just pin with a stapler. This midline. Okay, I just have been pinned this midline. So now we could keep it this one like this, and just at the edges of it you just pin it again, or you could stick also with glue or something else. So I'm just going to staple it without no glue. Okay, so I stapled it like this. So we make it like this. It be like this, then we make it like this. Okay, now this one we goes to light one. So it is a square actually, so 6 into 6 centimeters. Just fold it on. Alright, and just cut the excess parts if you have. So okay, we have been like this. So you just fold it into a triangle and just fold it on it like this. It looks like a boat. So you make it like fold before what we done like this. Same, this is a triangle. Okay. So just keep it like this. So we have been here. Yes. So we get here like this. Look. So we just make this. Okay, we make this one like this. So you make it like this and you just staple. I'm gonna staple it. And I'm gonna cut the extra of it. Alright, now so we have before made it like such this there, and you just go some stretch it, some little bit stretch it, and just attach to it. So just take it, so, and you just little stretch it for the light. You need some stretch. So if you want to still get back one of this, you can. So you see, look how beautiful is this diya. So it used in many ways, such like, I just say after you look. So okay, so it could use such like a candle also. So wait a minute. Yes, it could be used like a candle also. So it could be used like a candle and like a diya. So other one thing, we could stand it also. See, look, it could be stand, this one, and you could keep in front of it and like a light, or so. This is our diya. With it we're gonna make, and next time we're gonna make a Diwali craft with it, wall hanging with this diya, right? So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel, and please comment. So if you need the more information and notifications in the channel, you just press the bell icon. So okay, if you like it, please subscribe our channel for more. Okay, see you next time. Bye.